Adjusting the ribbon strip plate. In this video you will learn how to adjust the ribbon strip plate on an industrial printer. The process is the same for all industrial printers. A ZT510 printer is used in this video. Over time, the ribbon strip plate may move, causing a ribbon wrinkle, and it must be adjusted. The ribbon strip plate can be adjusted to ensure proper tracking and separation of the ribbon from the media after printing. A properly adjusted strip plate lets the ribbon lift off the media evenly. The strip plate should not press down onto the media or be high off the label, prematurely removing the ribbon from the printed media surface. Open the media door. Press and hold the pause button when turning the printer on to start a pause test. The printer will print out test labels. Print at least 25 labels while checking for ribbon wrinkles, tracking problems, and media ribbon separation problems. Press pause to stop the printing. Loosen the outboard screw. Loosen the inboard screw. Lift the outboard end of the strip plate to just hide the bottom of the oval slot behind the screw. Tighten the outboard screw. Adjust the inboard end of the strip plate to just hide the bottom of the oval slot behind the screw. Tighten the inboard screw. Press pause to resume printing. Print at least 25 labels while checking for ribbon wrinkles, tracking problems, and media ribbon separation problems. Press pause to stop the printing. If needed, slightly raise or lower the strip plate's inside end slightly to correct any separation or tracking issues. When the adjustments are completed, close the media door. Turn the printer off and on to clear the print test. If the problem persists, repeat the ribbon strip plate adjustment process.